Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and in today's film we're having a flyby of Muse Restaurant with our drone, and then we're going to take in a bit of Old Town Paphos. So there's the restaurant just down below us on top of a little plateau, and that funny building behind it is the Hotel Axia Thea, and behind that you'll have the Ivis Maliotou Park, which was renovated a couple of years ago and now looks very nice. We'll have a look at that soon because the drone will go straight over it. It used to be a bit of a dust bowl, the top half of the park, but they got a lovely children's playground there now, which you can just see that funny green shade thing, and the whole area looks a lot better than what it used to be like. Now we're going a bit higher now, so I can still get a signal to the drone. And we're going over to October 28th Square, which is just below us now. And you can see the monument in front of the road. There's a school playground you can see beyond that. And just around the centre of the picture is now the new documentation museum they're building in Paphos. Coming on nicely. It's where the old police station used to be. They've had to keep the facade of that because it was a listed building. And now in the centre you've got Kennedy Square. And that's Old Town ahead of you now. But we're going to come back via Ivis Maliotou Park. A little bit of an adjustment with the drone there, and then we're going to fly down to Kings Avenue Mall to give you a quick view of that. It's mainly retail below us in terms of the buildings. Somewhere down there will be the Green Air building. There's Muse Restaurant on the left again, and I love the way you get this farmland slap bang in the middle of it all though. On the right there, and beyond Kings Avenue Mall you'll have the seafront and the harbour, but you'll also get the archaeological park. That's the area at the top of the screen now, the green bit, and if you look carefully you can just make out the lighthouse. And that little green circle thing on the left, that's part of, I believe it is anyway, part of the American Museum of Beirut. And after that you'll have one of the Alpha Megas. And those red roofs there is the bowling alley. I mean the current working bowling alley, as opposed to that one I explored recently. But here's Kings Avenue Mall, and we'll finish with that. So thanks for watching.